Got a hungry kid or something? Oh, that guy's fucking broken.
He's almost ready to puberty. I fucking literally just jumped out of the plane, not even thinking.
Puberty's hard, bro.
Eliminate all targets in the AO. Secure the supply.
Like all I wanted.
Locations are marked on your tag map.
I get it hurt being hungry and all that, but like the last one or something, like, but it is what it is. I'm not gonna get upset about it.
Damn, that was a real guy.
On me. Two on me. That was real. That's definitely real. On me as well.
Can't let you go out like that.
Thank you, one. I appreciate you. Where is he? Where the fuck is he at? Where the fuck do I get? How the fuck do I get out of the building?
Welcome to the Gulag. Fight to win redeployment. Time for a fight.
Damn, bro. You use yourself just to get fucking shit on.
Where is he?
Bro,
I didn't see him.
Bro, he's dead. He's gone. He was talking shit the whole time. Like, come get me. I don't want to use myself. He was right by you, bro.
Yeah, I realized that. Like, I was literally on the other side of the van, and I literally come around the van, and I see you hop through the window. So he literally caught my ass going through that window. Alright, let's go ahead and finish this fucking scab real quick so we can get load out. Actually, we got load out money now.
I got good money in my pocket right now.
Yeah. But we need everybody's money. Oh, pardon me. Sorry, German.
Better fucking be sorry.
Why are you yelling at me like that? That was so unnecessary. On me, on me, on me. Broken, broken. Dead. What the fucking gun do I have though? The Fang. I'd rather fucking double SMG. Great, great. No, you ain't got it.
Oh, fuck.
Oh shit, rotate right. To our right, to our right, to our right. On me. Immediate right. On me.
Gotcha.
Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Alright, let's go ahead and...
I was just saying, we were all here. I thought we had one down, but...
Nope,
it's not.
nope. I was almost down. Alright, drop cash before we go ahead and...
Buy station right here.
9100. Anybody with a little bit of cash.
I got it, I got it, I got it. I'm pushing it right now. Right now. I'll throw it back to you. I will throw it back to you.
Got him, got him, got him.
You've got a loadout inbound.
We got munitions as well. Coming back. Munitions inside.
Friendly ammo box marked.
I do kind of wish they'd bring back the whatchamacallit, the backpack. I kind of like that. It was different.
It wasn't horrible, but I do understand why they got rid of it.
Yeah, it was kind of a pain in the ass for like newcomers, but like.
But once you got used to it, especially on controller, it was godlike. It really was. I'm not gonna lie. I could literally go through the backpack and it's so quick.
FSM 691. You want to buy a UAV?
That would be
Then
great.
drop your money to E. Oh fuck, heli. Oh, that's our guy.
Yeah. Drop your money out of the heli. You can drop your money out of a vehicle.
Oh, I got comms.
I see it. I'm coming.
Requesting recon at my location.
Ooh, firehouse.
Behind us. In road. Broken. Down. Dead. That was a lucky fucking snipe. Not gonna lie. Behind us again.
Thanks for the work. UAV overflight terminal.
Good shit. Now we got a free chopper. Hold on, one I'm coming. Pick up desert on the way through. Desert, hop in.
Dude, where's center circle, man?
I don't know.
Gas is inbound. Marking new safe zone.
Enemy movement spreads them. Spreads them. Spreads them.
Why can't I swap seats?
Hostile eliminated.
I shouldn't have lost that, but okay.
Enemy dropping into the AO. Enemy UAV is online. Get your squad to the safe zone. Leave no one
Enemy
behind.
movement.
The squad mate has entered the gulag. Deploy.
There's guns and shit over here, perks. For whoever is coming back.
I'm back.
Squad mate.
If you guys killed that guy, I'll be able to land on my shit.
No, land over here. Not over on loadout. Jesus Christ.
He's still here.
There's guys shit right on yellow.
I can do that. I can do that. Fine. My shit at the bottom of the stairs. At the bottom of the building.
Hey, there's a guy on the other bridge. He's one hit.
A fire shotgun. Get any plates?
Who the last one left?
I'm the last one left. I'm him. Come on, old son. Get you some.
Got my shit back.
Oh, fuck.
Your squad paid for your release. Get ready to redeploy.
Tell me you got that fucker.
Yep.
Good deal.
Footsteps on us, so be careful. Nice shit.
Enemy movement in.
Gotcha.
Bitch. Dave Chappelle. Gotcha, bitch. Behind us. Literally on the mountains.
Hey.
There you go.
Gas is closing in. Get to the new safe zone. Enemy soldier incoming.
Dead. Someone grab that supply run. I'm grabbing the chopper. This. Someone grab this.
I don't know if E's ready to move, dude.
Well, I'm ready for a self.
I don't know if he's AFK or what. He hasn't come up top. I just don't want to leave him here if we're gonna move on. Know what I mean? Oh, he's moving. He's moving. Never mind. Never mind.
Your squad's in the safe zone. Objective buy station detected. If you reach it in time, you'll receive a discount.
First green.
Roof. Yep.
Whoa, the camera glitch is back. Hey, going up. Fuck you. Oh, passed it. My bad.
Buy station vulnerability exploited. Good work, team. Down is applied. Precision airstrike standing by.
5 grand, I'll buy.
The dick.
Right now, by we got company. We got company, gentlemen.
Company is gone.
Beautiful.
What do you want to buy?
UAV.
Target area marked. You're cleared hot.
Copy that. Longbow 3-1 is on station. Strike inbound.
Did you guys believe if I told you the chopper at hospital is still there?
Bro, I tried to pick up UAVs. Oh, did I pick up UAVs for everybody, or did that work?
I don't have one, but
got
I've
one?
seen other people.
Did they auto pick up or something? Oh, fuck. 6. Behind us. Below the hill. Down below on the hill.
Friendly loadout drops on the way.
Real people, real people.
Yeah, real people. You're gonna have to buy me back.
Your squad mates in the gulag. If they survive, they redeploy.
Fuck. You can't buy me back. I've got gulag.
Wait.
Stand by. In gulag. Coming back.
Your squad mate won the fight. They're redeploying now.
Is my shit safe to jump on?
Yeah.
I'm dead. He's on my body side. He's projecting my rotation. He's pushing back up on you guys right now. Plating up right now.
Don't use it, don't use it.
Push that motherfucker. Get him.
I was trying to rotate
Get him.
around and plate up.
I need to purchase, gentlemen. I need a purchase, sir. Oh shit, he's still engaged.
Hey, firm. Cash here.
Hey, there's money right here.
Money, please.
Your squad is getting you out of here.
Thank you, sir. Appreciate it. Left, on us, on by.
Enemy KIA.
Cancel that.
Hostile eliminated.
6. Oh, dude, you fucking run me. Oh, that wasn't you. I'm dead.
Two vehicles. What the fuck? We got raped.
Twenty bomb though.
Defeat is only a mindset. Shake it off. Got gas inbound. Safe zone relocated.
What's up, gang?
Good deal.
Remember.
Rucker, you're headed to the war zone.
Fucking school, bitch.
No. Let me not see. Hey, it's a just bring out toys.
Where you going? Where you going? Josh?
Yeah.
Right. Never said no. No.
Yo, I'm behind you.
Get him! Get him!
Oh,
Hey,
I was
no
fucking
way.
reloading, nigga.
Good job, nigga. I got him, no. What the fuck?
Oh, that was his teammate. Oh, no, fuck. Oh, that guy died too.
No, I'm out. Sorry. Room, warm up. Sorry, warm up. The crack player in the team.
What are you doing? Come. Come. Come.
That chick.
Jobbers.
Enemy soldier incoming.
Oh yeah.
Enemies are dropping into the area.
Oh.
Inside.
Fucking bitches, bro. These bitches everywhere. That's all. And now I'm gonna kill him. Bitch ass nigga. Bitch ass nigga.
Prep time's over. Now you're deployed to the war zone.
Where you going, Chubby? Where you at? Where you at? Oh, fucking bitch, dude.
Let's go, Cap.
Look at this guy. What's up? What's good? Shut that fuck up.
Z HVBS.
Survive to redeploy.
Let's get it.
Where you going?
It's going to
Fuck,
guy.
landing down there for a kill.
That's
Guy in the factory.
gay shit. What?
Oh, who landed over here, bro?
I got his ass.
On me.
Nigga? You like that?
Nigga, over
Do
here.
this shit.
Oh, Luffy 671, bro.
Motherfucker. I'll come back for you. Oh my god.
Squad mates back on station. Good work.
I'm gonna fucking kill his ass. Fuck that bitch.
Yeah, what's going on, bro?
Fucking good times. Okay.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Oh yeah, slick.
Okay, with Luffy, this motherfucker. Fucking trying to kill this bitch. Bitch ass nigga, what's up? Motherfucker. No, it's not.
You have reinforcements inbound.
Hey, that Luffy dude.
Bitch ass nigga, what's up? What's up? What's up, you little bitch?
Your squad mate is redeployed. Well done.
Oh, he's here.
Top, top, top.
Fucking bitch. Squad up.
All squad mates are in the safe zone. You're losing ground. Moving.
Damn! Everybody just chilling in here, bro.
It's all on you. Stay alive so your squad can redeploy. Your squad mates back on station. Good work.
That's the fucking 671 squad, bro, right there. What else, motherfuckers?
Trash.
Where you going, Chunks? I'm going with you. Oh no!
I'm up here, I'm up here.
Oh, fuck that.
Enemy movement in AO.
That motherfucker. I don't have a gun. Should I jump inside? What? Please, give me a fucking gun. Where?
Across.
Enemy UAV is online.
You motherfucker. They're under us. Drop me down. This bitch is jumping in. B. Bitch ass nigga.
Scrampers, huh?
Hey, watch out, Grampas and fucking tower. I'm gonna fucking do this shit.
Enemies are dropping into the area.
Don't. Hey. What the fuck, surprise, motherfucker? Sorry. From the back. Fucking bitch, from the back, hit me down. Get his ass. Did you get him? Oh, fuck. They're alive, brother. They're alive. Open the box. Open the box. Really? No way. You say clear, my friend?
There was two on him.
Oh yeah.
Open. Here guys, I got plate. Stay together. Fucking everyone is fucking holding each other's dick.
Enemy soldier incoming. Your squad's in the safe zone. Bounty target's gone dark. We lost the contract.
I'm going with D-Chubs.
Enemy movement.
Someone there?
Top roof. Go away, Slick.
Let's go.
Let's go. Where did this guy die? Got him.
This team's on the one that's fighting prison top.
Should go to the zip.
Alright. Oh shit, that's it. My bad. Coming in, watch out. The right in the corner if you go up on your right.
What about the loading? Can we go?
Alright, let's go to the load. This guy wants to load out, bro.
Holy fuck.
There's two. I saw that shit.
Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the skies.
Oh my god, bro. What the fuck was that, bro?
Survive until your squad is redeployed. Your squad mate is redeployed. Well done. Fire fan is active.
Hey, let's go loading. Let's go buy it loading. Oh, there's one dude there.
Oh, fuck you. Motherfucker. Another one coming in.
There's someone going out. Hey, let's go buy Lodi or what?
Green.
Down it. I landed right on him.
I'm not going there, right? Yeah, I'm not going there. I'm gonna come here.
Landing on you, Slick.
Shoot. Let's go buy loadout, guys. We got that bounty.
Ah, loadout's still 10 grand, bro.
Fuck is the bounty?
Squad made it to the safe zone.
7 grand. We have 7 grand.
5 squads still operational in the AO.
Let me grab this bounty.
Clear another target.
We have 9.
Timeline. Fire sales done. Prices are back to normal.
Yeah, we have 10.
Go.
Make sure you flush the toilet, huh?
Come, boys.
And don't put too
Get the
much
money.
tissue inside the
Hostile
toilet.
UAV in the area.
Get the money. Someone get the money. Hey, come get this. Come grab that. Fucking strike this bitch.
Loadout drop headed your way.
Oh, there's someone there.
Oh, watch out for a tower.
No more second chances.
I got I'm gonna walk shit. Oh yeah. Oh, right there, extracted. It's going down. Ah, I killed him. I dropped him, and I killed him.
Good shot.
Hey, this one just spot up here or what?
Primary objective complete.
Yeah.
Hey, someone watch the stairs. I'm going to top to fucking snipe.
Overhead.
Yes, go. Hey, right there.
Ping.
Right there, on my ping. Down his ass.
Good shit.
Watch the right. Watch it. Someone flying up there. Sniping. Oh, fuck. Dude, I cracked him though. Oh, another sniper again. Same spot. Motherfucker, bro. Got me.
10 left. 3 squads left in the war zone. Stay alert.
Where you at? I see you beat me. Right there.
Wait first, cut.
Oh. Who sniped you?
Down close.
Fuck you, bitch ass nigga, bro.
Fire crates
Oh, team over here, team over here.
Where? Oh my god.
I'll
hold
come
up.
back to you guys, Come over here.
Where is he? Who's sniping, bro? I can't see.
From the tower.
Enemy UAV is online.
That guy's dead already.
Head to the safe zone.
Oh, right there.
What?
I saw his bullet, bro. I know it's see. Hey, yo, where you going, Chubbs?
Rotating, nigga.
Bottom.
Fuck it, I'm rotating. Get out of it, boys. Chubbs, you okay?
First. Yep. Oh.
Good chat, nigga.
Oh, we good. We won
Yo,
that.
jump down the
shit.
hill.
We win. Oh no, we know. What the fuck?
Stay alive. Most wanted contact complete.
Ooh.
Advise you head to the safe zone. You've got a lot of ground. Contact was compromised. Stand down.
Fuck my bad, bro.
I thought we win. How the fuck I stand up?
What about you, Chubb?
What?
I'm not gonna start logging in.
Use this time for some target practice. Real things coming through. All stations, this is Shadow 01.
What's up, squad?
Battle Royale. Keep clear of the gas. Get to the safe zone.
Joe is so old.
Yo, Pink.
It's about Sandra.
Touch grass. Yo, grass. Follow me, please. Where's the other two? Yeah, let's go, let's go. Oh, somebody's sleeping. Superstore, superstore.
Hunt down the enemy.
Moving to my mark.
Come over here so fast to buy a loadie.
Positive ID on the bounty target. Hunt them down. All bounty targets are KIA. Well done.
Alright, we can buy a loadie. Cross, I cannot hear you no more, Cross. No, see, not Cross, not Cross.
Most wanted target. Kill enemies and secure supply caches to close the contract on your head. Precision airstrike available. Hostile UAV in the area.
Setting mine.
Enemy UAV overhead. Your squad's in the safe zone. Gas is moving. Objective secure, well done.
Alright, I'm buying my own loadie.
Friendly loadout drops on the way.
Incoming!
Disregard. Hostile shooting from waypoint. Waypoint marked. Move.
Hey, go for UAV. Ruby bullying.
Target area marked. You're cleared hot. Landing fast here.
Enemy UAV is online. Go in. Go again.
Enemy move.
Welcome to the Gulag. Fight for business deployment.
Nice.
Success means redeployment. Failure means elimination. Enemy eliminated. Prepare for redeployment. Squad mate redeploying to the AO. Your squad mate lost the fight. They're RTB at this time. Your squad mate won the fight. They're redeploying now.
There's yeah, I can go for it. No money.
Some of your squad is outside the safe zone.
Got your back, got your back.
What the fuck? Whoa. Yo, what the? Find me, bro. Or fan on. Damn. I'm gonna say fuck you.
Your squad mate is the most wanted target. Eliminate threats and secure supply caches to reduce the time of the contract.
Come, my queen nose. Come. My queen nose. No touch. Sorry. Yang yang. Oh.
They changed it. Now I don't know what to do.
Yeah, always more firepower. I like firepower.
Dad,
What?
how do I change my gun?
What do you mean?
How do I change my gun? That's what I mean.
Go to loadouts and change your gun.
Yeah, how? I don't know. I think they changed it. I don't know how anymore. It just says attachments and customize.
Don't know what to do.
Right, you go to it. Well, press circle, Devante.
I'm using an Xbox, Dad.
Well, whatever the circle button is, the right.
Never mind, I figured it out.
Okay, good for you.
Yeah, I don't have a jackal.
Come. No. Come. Come.
Yeah.
Every single one of these guns sucks.
Did you suck?
Yeah,
What
and the
about,
gun sucking makes it even worse too.
C9 or compact.
Yeah, I only got Black Ops 6 light machine gun. It looks like.
Yeah. That's
Is
what
a
I'm saying.
C9 good?
C9 still good. Jackal still good. Compact is good.
I can't get a jackal.
Can you get a CPR 91?
I don't even know what that is.
It's in assault rifles.
I'm looking at
GPR?
SMGs. What, Dad?
A CPR 91 in the assault rifle class.
Yes, I can.
That's a good gun. Use that.
And I hate the SIRIN 9mm. It sucks.
Right on. Do you got your gun yet?
I got one. I need to change the other one. This one sucks, like bad. Should I have a launcher instead of a Should I have a rocket launcher instead of a normal gun for secondary?
Whatever you want to do. I always have I always have two primary guns. So I have like a assault rifle and a sniper rifle or another machine gun. But you have to. What, babe?
How do you do that?
Let's go
I'm
to
using
the
it.
bottom. See where it says wild card.
Mhm.
You click on it and click on
Mhm.
overkill. Use overkill. And you should change your secondary weapon to SMG or sniper.
Are you sure,
AR.
sir?
Is a XMG or a PU-21 better?
The XMG.
Last one up. Here goes nothing.
Here goes nothing.
But don't. I'm not.
Oh, wait a minute. How did I have? Oh shit. Oh, we're about to kill a motherfuckers look good now. I got that extended mag 3 on the kilo. Ooh shit.
What happened? Oh no. Yes.
Why am I targeting? Fuck. Tatsuraki. Katsuriki. Alright, I'm out of here. Tired of looking for people to like, what the hell? No, I'm like.
it's time for some target practice. Time for another bounty. Get it done. Stand by for redeployment. Hostile UAV in the area. Enemy UAV is online.
Damn, bro.
Squad mates back on station. Good work. Enemy UAV overhead.
What the fuck, bro? Like, what the fuck do I have to teach in this shit?
Back on station. Go get off. To you, soldier. Stay sharp. UAV overhead. The squad mate is redeploying. Well done. You've got a loadout drop. Contract online. Enemy UAV is online. Requesting LDB on We've got 10 squads active in the field.
White's lagging, bro.
Hit us
What
hard
the
that time.
fuck?
Dust yourself off, regroup, and get back out there.
Another call.